Have you ever cried to Allah, made the same dua for months, maybe even years, but nothing seemed changed? You started wondering about, is Allah even listening to me? If you ever felt this thing, this reminder is for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Sundas back with another video. Today we will reflect on a beautiful truth. No sincere dua is ever wasted. Even when you don't see the answer immediately, Allah is always responding, but not always in the way you expect. Imagine the Prophet Zakariyya alayhi salam. He spent many years making one heartful dua. He and his wife had grown old. His wife was unable to have children. By every worldly measure, his request seemed impossible. But Zakaria alayhi salam never stopped asking. One day, while standing in prayer, he made this beautiful supplication. My Lord, indeed, my bones have become weak. My head has filled with white hair. But never have I have been disappointed in my supplication to you, my Lord. Surah Maryam 19:4. He didn't demand, he didn't complain, he simply trusted Allah. Then he prayed, My Lord, grant me from yourself a good offspring. Indeed, you are the hearer of supplication. Surah Al Imran 3:38. And Allah answered, not because the circumstances became impossible, but because Allah is capable of all things. The angel gave Zakaria alayhi salam the glad tidings of a son, Yahya alayhi salam. Allah says, O Zakaria, indeed, we give you good news of boy whose name will be Yahya. Surah Maryam 19:7. The answer came at the perfect time chosen by Allah. Sometimes Allah answers immediately, and sometimes He delays because His timing is better than ours. Sometimes He gives us something even better. The Prophet said in Musnad Ahmad 1133, there is no Muslim who calls upon Allah with a supplication in which there is no sin or a cutting family ties except that Allah gives him one of three things. He either hastens the answer for him, stores it for him in the hereafter, or averts from him an equivalent evil. The companion said, then we will ask for more. The Prophet replied, Allah has even more. Allah also promises in Quran, and your Lord says, call upon me, I will respond to you. Surah Ghafir 40:60. Notice that Allah promises a response. He does not promise that it will always come in the form of timing we expect. Perhaps the delay is protecting you, and Allah is preparing you something greater. Or perhaps your dua is being saved for the day when you will be needed most. If you have been making the same dua over and over, don't stop. The one who answered that Zakaria alayhi salam, the one who parted the sea for Musa alayhi salam, the one who rescued Yusuf alayhi salam from the darkness is the same Allah you are calling upon today. Keep asking, keep trusting, keep hoping because no sincere dua is ever wasted. May Allah accept our every sincere dua we make, grant us what is best for us in this life and the next, and never allow us to lose hope in His mercy. Ameen. Thanks for watching. All the references will be mentioned in the description, and for more authentic reminders, subscribe my channel.